beautiful friends. Yeah, so this one is just a short one I want to do. I'm just coming in now and I decided to talk to you, my lovely friends. You know, with the things that are happening around us, it is very important that one should live right. A lot of things is happening. It is very important that one should live right. It is high time we stop playing church, or we stop playing to be righteous and all that. It is very important that you start living right. Living right, because when one is playing church or doing all those pretentious acts using God to cover up, the person is actually deceiving himself or herself. A lot of things are happening in the world today. And each and every one of us, we need to hold God tight. We really need to hold God tight. Yes. We need to hold God tight. Any moment now, nobody knows what will happen. Jesus might just come. Jesus is coming soon. With the situation of things happening. Each and every one of us, we should know that the time is near. It is time we stop playing church. It is time we stop living unnecessarily. But it is time for us to look unto God, the author and the finisher of our faith. Yes, I'm a motivational speaker and a relationship coach. That doesn't mean that I should not motivate people to do the things of God or to live right. I'm a Christian and I'm not ashamed of my religion. I'm not afraid of to talk about the things of God. If we say we are Christians, it's important that we live right. Love one another. Husband, love your wife. Wife, love your husband. Teach your children the right thing, and make them to follow the right principle. Make them to follow the right principle. If we say that we are children of God, let us act as children of God. You can't call yourself a child of God and every time all you do is fighting people, hating people, doing all those negative things. It's not right. What would Jesus say if he meets you when you are fighting your neighbor or when you are hating someone? Jesus is really coming. He's coming very soon, and it is time for us to just live right. It is time for everyone to live right. Commit your ways, commit whatever thing you're doing that is positive in the hands of God, and God will help you to accomplish whatever thing you've planned for yourself. If I call myself a child of God, I should be able to love one another. I should be able to love my neighbor. I should be able to love that church member that I think that is not living right. Instead of me condemning the person, I should be able to, bring that person close to God. You say you're a child of God, you're condemning people, you're doing things that you're not supposed to do. You are telling people, saying negative words to them. What type of a child of God are you? What type of a child of God are you? What makes you different from an unbeliever? When all you do is sit down and judge and point fingers. It is time we live right. It is time we start practicing what we are. We start practicing what we are teaching. You are a pastor, or you say somebody in your congregation that is hungry, you can't even pray for that person and help that person and give that person food. Rather, you tell the person to go, that the Lord will see you through. Remember when Jesus noticed that the people that was following him was hungry, he stopped and he gave them food. So you as a leader, People that are coming to you to fellowship in your congregation are your responsibility. God has given them into your hands to take care of, not for you to always, for them to start worshiping you as a pastor or whatever. You're a male human being. You're a male human being. So they also have you have to take them as your own. I just came back and I just felt that I should just talk to my friends. Let us live right. And when you live right, the Lord will strengthen you, and whatever thing you lay your hands to do, you will prosper. So that's just what I had in my mind to talk to you, my beautiful friends, about. So God willing, soon, any moment from now, we'll start our normal regular video. But I just felt that I should talk to my friends about the things of God today. So I will be stopping here today. Always take good care of yourself and have a beautiful and a lovely day. Bye.